Do you want your voice to sound as good as this $400 mic but for free? Well, there's an AI tool for that. So let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna use the audio of my phone, which is what you're listening to now. But if you take the audio and put that into this tool called Adobe Podcast, AI is gonna enhance it, so it's gonna sound from this to this. It's much clearer, much warmer, much more professional. Now let's go back and listen to how this voice will sound like without the Adobe tool, with my fancy microphone, and now back with the Adobe tool. Pretty amazing, right? You can try it for free on podcast.adobe.com. Let me know if you tried it.